26 floors high, trapped on a narrow ledge so thin. Rain pouring down on you, cold wind beneath your skin. No paw pads to grip the ground, one wrong move you'd fall. Frozen still for hours, waiting for our call. Rain on the ledge, you stood so brave and still, soaking wet and shivering, but fighting with your will. We threw the rope from floor 27 down to you. Rain on the ledge, we brought you